All right. Just finished eating. Nope.
What's up, man? Hey, Cal.
Shit, good puppy. Look at that lighting, though.
We're about to have breakfast?
Yeah, break fast.
Neema Nomz?
Let's go.
Breaking is fast?
Bro, first time I had breakfast in
Like years.
No, like over a year at least.
What do you
No,
have?
actually, yeah, just
What are
like
we
over a
having?
year.
Pancake?
Yeah, pancake, almond flour pancakes with some magic cereal. We got eggs, some eggs that we're using homemade Nutella. I'm excited to try that for the first time.
Here's if the audio's gonna get wrecked because we're outside, but if you
No,
can
it's
hear it.
fine. It's I think it'll be fine. It's not too windy, so it'll be good.
Let me zoom in on Cal.
Yeah, zoom in. Oh, good puppy. Yeah, she's meeting all the neighbors today.
Alright, these are all the ingredients we need to make our own homemade hazelnut spread. You might know it as Nutella. Sweetener, cocoa, hazelnuts raw. We're going to roast these, take the skins off, blend them with all the other stuff. Vanilla, and this is avocado oil. Stay tuned. Alright, these are all the ingredients we're going to use to make almond flour pancakes. Apple cider vinegar, organic grass-fed ghee, collagen, almond flour, sweetener of choice, little baking soda, vanilla extract. And these are actually farm fresh eggs that we picked up yesterday from a farm directly. We just like drove up, and it's kind of like a pack your own carton, leave the money in the tin kind of vibe. But I'll show you some of these later because we're gonna also fry these up. A couple sunny side just to go with the rest of the breakfast. Stay tuned. These in here with the lid on, and then we're going to shake them to get rid of the skin. Wish me luck. Alright, I need 2 hands to do this. Hold on. There you have it. Homemade Nutella hazelnut spread. Who's coming for breakfast? Alright, so we're using cinnamon roll power creamer. As you can see, grass-fed ghee oil. Bulletproof breakfast on coffee. That's the light roast. Hitting that with 5 scoops. 5 scoopies.
Let's get it.
2, 3, 4, 5. This is all the almond flour pancake stuff. Almond flour, sweetener, eggs, baking soda, vanilla, apple cider, collagen, and everything else, and the butter. Alright, it looks like that. It's the batter.
Pancake time.
Got organic honey, organic syrup. The pancakes got some organic whole milk, magic spoon cereal. What you know about that? Maple waffle, cookies and cream, and peanut butter.
grass-fed milk. It's worth that. And homemade Nutella. Ooh, look at these almond flour pancakes with cocoa nibs in them. And then we got some plain ones cooking up right now. We burnt a couple of them, but it's okay. We got some cafes. Already drank half of it. Feeling good. So we decided to eat early yesterday so we can break our fast with breakfast this morning. That's what we're about to do. Callie. Callie, you ready for breakfast? Huh? Hey.
Cal.
Hey. What are you doing roaming around? Hey? Callie wants pancakes. Too bad. Final step. Eggs.
Yeah. Breakfast with Neema Nomz.
Neema Nomz.
Breakfast with Neema.
Yeah, episode 2 actually. This is episode 2.
Episode 2.
This is breakfast special right here.
Alright, so tell us what we got.
We got bulletproof coffee, as you always know. We already know. I'm just about to finish it. And we got our magic smooth cereal. We got grass-fed milk. We got some avocados. For the eggs right here that we got. Free range farm fresh eggs. We picked up from the farm yesterday actually. We got some almond flour pancakes. Some with coconut, some with original. And we got some homemade Nutella right here. Hazelnut spread that Young Shape made. So. And yeah, that's it. We're just gonna break our fast for the first time. See how
Before
it
2
tastes.
p.m.
Merci.
How is it?
Avocado. I'm gonna try it by itself first. Finger. It's alright, so it tastes like legit pancakes. Yeah. It's really good.
این چیه توش داره؟ امیدی سه بگو. خیلی برو بشین.
Put a little Nutella on there.
Oh yeah.
Hey,
You
try
already
with
know.
Nutella, it's good.
Alright, let's try this. I feel like Austin right now.
Astizi?
Peanut butter, baby. Alright, I'm gonna pour it. That milk going in too. Oh yeah. My favorite.
Hey.
Always gotta slurp this up. Finish it strong, That's good. Alright, just finished eating breakfast for the first time in over a year. That was episode 2 of Neema Nomz. Hey, come on. How'd you like that breakfast?
It was very, very good.
Very good.
Very good.
Nice. Alright.
Thank
We'll see you next time on another episode of Neema Nomz.
Thank you, Nima.
Okay.